Achọrọ m ka unu watchkwa this video ka ị wee fụkwa ka onye Igbo ọzọ si were confess ka fa si were akpa mkpamkpa n'ala Igbo anyị, ka fa si terrorize ala Igbo. Agwa m unu ebe a so na so many of our people hide under Fulani herdsmen attack, Fulani jihadist terrorist attack, wee na-cause mayhem n'ala Igbo anyị, and so many of them also hide under Biafra agitation. We jide ala Igbo anyị wee destroy ya. So many of them. Do you understand? This is why I want to tell you, stop attributing ihe ọbụla criminality ọbụla criminal activities ọbụla ị na-anụ maka ya n'ala Igbo to one particular people, because a lot happen. And if I na-agwa a lot happened n'ala Igbo. Mana ọ bụrụ ife ọ ya wee every day apụta na-ekwu ya na social media, mana ife anyị ji ebupụta nke a bụ that na eso m na ndị ya amụpụta na m agwa na onye ọbụla na-akọsụ mayhem n'ala Igbo na aka nsịa na aka ji aka ya abịa ọnụ. It's just a matter of time. Agwa m unu niile participate na ịtọnụ ala Igbo upside down, terrorize our community. Unu go go scot free. Unu niile must pay one after the other. It's just a matter of time. Mụrụkwa na onye nke anụ ka ifu ebe ọ na-confess ka fa si wee terrorize by terrorize cha na akpụ ndị ugwu, terrorize cha na ikpọ ndị IPOB maọbụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Do you understand what I'm saying? And I watch you go into the video first.
Oga, you're not obliged to say anything unless you wish to do so. Whatever you say will be taken down in writing and may be given an evidence. Today's date is 2nd of August 2026. You are free here. You are wait, Oga, before you tell us your name, you are here to talk freely. Oya, start.
My name is Chukwudi. I am from Umuke, Ezema. I am 50 years old.
Ezema is in which village?
Ezema is a community in Ngobala.
LGA.
50 years old man.
I continue.
Then the business where would they do? Now robbery and kidnapping.
Robbery or armed robbery?
Robbery and kidnapping.
Okay.
So when we carry people, when we show, when if you show people.
How many one are there for Nagang?
We there 7.
Mention them and where they are from.
Check out them from Moda, Ezema.
Ezema in which?
Ezema in Ngobala, Imo State.
All right.
Listen, no.
Chukwudi from Umugo, Ezema. In Ngobala, Imo State. Ada from Omahia Ohiklem in Ngobala, Imo State. Then Chike from Omahia Ohiklem in Omahia in Ngobala, Imo State. Then 2 brothers from Ada from Omahia Ohiklem in Imo State. Then if anyone from Enugu State.
If anyone now woman, another person be woman among us now.
No.
Only she be woman. So with how they take kidnap people, go collect their money, rob them.
If anyone go, he go show them motor. He go call check order for phone. Check order go call me. Say make I go carry.
Show the motor how. Show the victim motor how. How you go take show them motor?
I don't know. I don't know.
Na Facebook now.
I don't know. The thing be say they don't come. Go carry them come. I go carry them come.
You go carry the victim.
The victim come.
At which junction where you go carry the victim?
For at Obala Junction. At the Jogu filling station. And there they give them address to stop.
Okay.
So I go carry them, go to my side.
Omahia there for where?
Omahia there for her claim in Imo State.
They gonna dey here.
Okay.
Then before when I they go, then the boys go come out.
Which boys?
The members will come out.
At where?
At that Omahia Old Road. They will come out.
Omahia or Omahia?
Omahia.
Okay. It's in Ngobala.
Omahia is a village.
In Ngobala.
Ohiklem is a community.
Okay.
Then Ngobala, local government. So they will come out, stop me. Then they go hijack the person. So even self at times they beat me, say make I run.
Na arrangement na.
Then I go.
Na arrangement na.
I go run.
Oh, na format na.
They go begin to rob the person. So after.
They go one hold the person, carrying phone, carrying ATMs. Who they bring the money from? The person POS.
I don't know. The thing where the thing where I know, they say they go come give me money. Say na the thing where they collect.
Okay, they collect. Okay, can you count how many victims who are done lure down, rob, kidnap, collect ransom? Can you count how many people?
I cannot count it, sir.
You cannot count it. So that means that's the business one they do, where they use train your family. You say one of you on a don't build upstairs with that business. Waiting be that one name.
Check out the hotel from my mother.
You get another guy name where they call him.
Gallop.
Gallop. Where in house there? Where in house?
At my mother.
Mother. You know Hekelem.
My mother in the Zema.
Okay, Zema. You say you get another place when they build house for River State.
That is what he said. I don't know. He said he get site for Port Harcourt.
Okay. So what they do? Is it good?
It's no good, sir.
So whether they use guns and the knife, rob those people, collect their things. Who get all those guns and the knife when they use?
Sir, what thing I they see whether they use a knife?
Yeah, you even told us say there's some they use the victims. They say that they use gun. Then now the same syndicate kidnapped 2 barristers with their client who went to who thought that they were home in a Omog in Ngobala. Neither Bombis collected 5 million from them. The same syndicate kidnapped 1 woman from Ikeduru and collect that they want to sell baby to her. Collected about 3 million from her account. The same syndicate kidnapped one man, lured him down that they want to sell a vehicle to him. Collected about 4 or 3 point something million from him. All these victims have made statements, and others who the case file will be read to you. You will answer them one by one. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
I hope you people heard everything, right? Kunu wee ghọta the reason why so many of us ji ekwife anyị na-ekwu. Do you understand? A lot of our people, because o nwere izu ọya mpụta na m agwa gị na 80% of atrocities, this criminal activities happen since ejidere Nnamdi Kanu wee ruo till date on the by. And ife m ji ekwu because of what is on ground. Agwa m nso that na ọ bụrụ ife nne ka a na-ekwu na social media. Even including ndị ahụ mụ na gị na-abọ ya wapụta na asị na fa nọ to protect us. Many of them involved in that criminality. Now hide under Biafra agitation. Because of hide kwala under Biafra agitation, gị nwazi bụ nwa utobe enwere akọ nke iji enwe uche. Ị na-asọpọtụ fa. Nazi akpọ anyị nwa na-achọ the betterment of our Igbo na ịbụ ndị Fulani. And I'm happy the Southeast government is dealing with them one after the other. I'm telling you, many of them are Dana, many of them in custody. Do you understand? When that kaya capture in nearest future until Igbo Ademma. And I have stopped people because of Tobo, Umueku Kenketa. Hide the gasol under Biafra agitation, which they are Igbo I thought no upside down. You know, Katagoju onwe. Ndị a sị na a na-protect anyị, ebe ka fa na all these people wee na-eme kidnapping. Ndị a niile na-anapụkwa ndị mmadụ, na-anapụ ndị mmadụ, n'ọcha na this organized crime anyị fụ na be anyị. Wechara kampụ n'ime ọfịa, rụchaa unu ma n'ime ọfịa ebe ọ ya bụ ha na-apụ mmadụ fa eburu ya jee ebe a dump the person. Are you aware of that? Then I put an agwa so many things ị na-anụ a na-agwa gị na ndị Fulani herdsmen. Yeah, on the Fulani. Think about it. Kedu ka onye Fulani ga-esi bịa n'ala Igbo now operate easily like that? Ọ na-ana scot free n'ime typical village mụ na gị na-abụ. Kedu onye na-akụziri ya ana? Kedu onye na-akụziri fa ana? Do the loan. Mana ịghọtara tata ị ga-aghọta echi.